If your diesel is pumping black smoke, your engine is bleeding money every single mile you drive. That dark cloud trailing behind your truck is not normal. It is not something to ignore, and it is quietly destroying your engine while emptying your wallet at the pump. Today, we are breaking down the 5 hidden issues causing that black smoke and what every diesel owner in America needs to do about it. Right now, black smoke is simply unburned fuel escaping through your exhaust. Your diesel engine is engineered to mix fuel and air at a very precise ratio and burn that mixture completely. The moment that balance gets disrupted, combustion becomes incomplete, and instead of clean exhaust, you get thick black smoke rolling out the back. 5 specific culprits cause this problem more than anything else. Issue number 1 is a dirty or clogged air filter. Your engine demands massive volumes of clean air to burn fuel correctly. A clogged filter chokes that airflow, creating a fuel-heavy mixture that simply cannot burn all the way through. Most owners never think about their air filter until the engine is already struggling badly. Check yours every few months, especially if you drive through dusty roads or job sites. A replacement filter runs about $20 and can save you hundreds in fuel costs while protecting your engine from serious damage. Issue number 2 is failing fuel injectors. Injectors are responsible for spraying a perfectly measured amount of diesel into the combustion chamber at precisely the right moment. When they begin to fail, that precision disappears. Some stick open and flood the chamber with excess fuel. Others develop poor spray patterns that never properly mix with air. Instead of a fine mist ready for combustion, you get fuel pooling inside the chamber and black smoke pouring out the exhaust. Issue number 3 is a worn or failing turbocharger. The turbo forces pressurized air into your engine so it can burn fuel more efficiently under load. When the turbo starts breaking down through worn bearings, damaged compressor wheels, or boost leaks, it cannot deliver adequate air pressure. Without that pressure, especially during acceleration, your engine runs too rich and black smoke follows immediately every time. Issue number 4 is carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber. Over thousands of miles, carbon deposits build up on your pistons, valves, and chamber walls. These deposits alter the shape and volume of the chamber, completely disrupting the precise mixing your engine depends on. Poor maintenance and low-quality fuel accelerate this process. Worse, once carbon buildup starts, it creates a damaging cycle where incomplete combustion generates even more deposits over time. Issue number 5 is a clogged Eager valve. The exhaust gas recirculation valve routes a portion of exhaust gases back into the engine to reduce emissions. However, it collects soot and carbon continuously. When it clogs, your engine's entire breathing rhythm gets thrown off. Either too much exhaust gas floods the intake, or recirculation stops working altogether. Either condition destroys combustion efficiency and produces black smoke. Now here is how you handle these problems the smart way. Always start with the cheapest and simplest fix first. Replace your air filter immediately if it is dirty. That single step takes 5 minutes and costs almost nothing. For injector problems, turbo issues, carbon cleaning, and eager repairs, take your truck to a qualified diesel specialist. Guessing which component is failing wastes money and solves nothing. Prevention always costs less than repair. Change your air filter on schedule. Use quality diesel fuel with proper detergent additives, and follow your engine's full service schedule without cutting corners. Light black smoke during acceleration usually signals a simple fix. Heavy constant smoke means multiple problems stacking up, and every day you wait makes the repair bill bigger. Address black smoke early, and your diesel will run cleaner, stronger, and last significantly longer.